Welcome all of you. Our class is SY-based physics, subject electronics 1, paper number 2, chapter is number system and logic gates. Topic logic gates. Content in this topic are logic gates, types of logic gate, symbol, truth table. Now the question arises, what is logic gate? Logic gates are fundamental building blocks of digital systems. There are three elementary basic gates. Each gate has its own logic symbol which allows complex function to be represented by a logic diagram. The function of each gate can be represented by a truth table or using Boolean notation. Types of gates. There are basically three types of gates, which are basic gates, derived gates, special gates. In basic gates, there are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. In derived gates, there are two types of gates, which are NAND gate, NOR gate, which are derived from AND gate and OR gate. In special gates, there are again two types of gates, which are XOR gate, XNOR. Now we will see each gate one by one. First is NOT gate. A NOT gate has one input value and it produces one output value. If the input value for a NOT gate is 0, which means low, the output value is 1, that is high. Or if the input value is 1, which means high, the output value is 0, which means low. A NOT gate is sometimes called as an inverter because it inverts the input value. Here is the Boolean expression for NOT gate, which is x equal to a prime. Here x is output and a is the input. In some textbooks, prime means bar. Logic diagram symbol for NOT gate is a as input and x is mentioned as output. Truth table for NOT gate is a is input, x is the output. If we give input 0, then its output will be 1, or if we give input 1, output will be 0 because it inverts the input value. AND gate. An AND gate has two input signals. If the two input values for an AND gate are both high, which means 1, the output value is also high, which means 1. Otherwise, the output value is 0, that is low. Boolean expression for AND gate are x equal to a dot b. Here AND gate is denoted by dot. Logic diagram symbol for AND gate is a, b two inputs, and here x is the output. Truth table for AND gate are a as input, b as input, and x as output. As I mentioned earlier, that if both the inputs value are high, the output value is also high, otherwise it is low. That is, if both the inputs value has 1, which means high, the output will be high, otherwise it will be low. OR gate. An OR gate has two input signals. If the input values are both low, the output value is also low, otherwise the output is high. Here is the Boolean expression for OR gate, that is x equal to a plus b. OR gate is denoted by plus sign. Here is the logic diagram symbol for OR gate and its truth table is, that is a, b and x, where a and b are input and x is the output. As I said that if both the inputs value are low, that is 0, the output value is also low, otherwise they are high. Now we'll see NAND and NOR gates. The above gates are derived gates and also known as universal gates. The NAND and NOR gates are derived from the and OR gates, and also they are opposite to and OR gate respectively. Boolean expression for NAND gate is x equal to A dot B prime. Logic diagram symbol for AND gate is, here you can see that AND gate and bubbles means NOT gate. By adding these two, we are getting NAND gate. Here is the truth table for NAND gate. A and B are inputs and X is the output. As I said that if both the inputs values are high, the output value is 0 in NAND gate, otherwise it is high. Boolean expression for NOR gate is x equal to A plus B prime. Logic diagram symbol for NOR gate is, here you can see that here A and B are two inputs, here it is OR gate, bubble is NOT gate. By adding these two, we are getting NOR gate and X is the output. Here, as I said, if both the inputs value are low, that is 0, the output value is 1, which is high, otherwise they are low. Exclusive OR gate, which means XOR gate. And XOR gate is a circuit which will give high output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. Which means what? If both the inputs values of XOR gate are same, either 0, either 1, the output will be 0 only, which means low. Again I am repeating that if both the inputs value of XOR gate are same, either 0 or either 1, then output will be 0. Otherwise, it is high. Here is the Boolean expression for XOR gate, which is X equal to A exclusive B. This is the symbol for exclusive. Okay. Logic diagram symbol is A, B. Here are two inputs for XOR gate and X is the output. And here is the truth table. Now we will see XNOR gate. The XNOR gate circuit does the opposite to the XOR gate. It will give a low output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. Which means what? If both the input values of XNOR gate are same, either both are 0 or both are 1, the output will be high. Otherwise, it is low, which is 0. Okay. Again, I am repeating that if both the input values of XNOR gate are same, either 0 or either 1, the output will be high, that is 1. Otherwise, it will be 0. Thank you.